Forgot I had subs for a minute. Okay guys, today is install day. Obviously we didn't do it yesterday because we just did it, but we're gonna do it today, and I just need to go buy water, and then I'm gonna get him a Monster and WD-40. Yeah. I just got the WD-40. I came to Walmart for the WD-40, but they ID'd me for WD-40. Like, I don't know if it's just here in the state of Indiana or whatever, but apparently you have to be 18 years of age or older to buy it. And I was like, seriously? And it's because it's a chemical whatever. But is it a compliment if they think you're 17? Because I'm 21, about to be 22. But am I okay? Well, I'm gonna take it as a compliment just to make myself feel better. But yeah, on to Gio's house and get these coils installed. Yes. Oh, you bitch. You guys already know what I'm about to do, right? There's Veronica. It's Veronica, right?
Yeah.
I was about to say Samantha. Who's that? Yes. I think, oh yeah, there's a little.
You really need to try your phone.
I could sell all four for
Random pick up like $80.
$80. What the? I guess yeah.
Anybody wants it. A plastic piece?
What?
Yeah, over here somewhere.
Oh yeah.
Damn. This right here, what they're messing is gonna lower your shit.
I know, right? So we got the driver's side done, and now we're just gonna repeat the steps on the passenger, and I'm not gonna show that for what. Oh my god. It's gonna sit so fucking low. Do I wanna go that low? Slam life or?
You have to.
I haven't even got anything done to the car.
Just like that.
He literally just found.
Random wrench.
What? I don't even use these.
You and Manny were up here?
Huh?
You and Manny were up here?
No, we were all in there. We were going through like the back of the radio. We didn't mess with any of this.
I've been there for months.
It came with the car.
Yeah,
Shit, thanks. We don't have that.
You hate that cheesy for him.
Don't hit it with the hammer. Well, issue. We cannot get that out. We've been hitting it with the hammer. Are you serious? This is the second battery and it's about to die. Oh well. Well, I'll just use my iPhone to record crap now. All we need is this side to finish the fronts. And then we'll start on the backs. But first, we gotta get that bolt out. Let's go look at Veronica real quick. I'm gonna show them Veronica. Say I'm low. What? That's one finger, but not even two. What gap? if you want me to show his plate. SI. Shit is stuck. This will not budge at all. Like, both my freaking camera batteries died, so I'm using my phone now. But this is stuck. And we do not have a tool to cut it off or whatever, so we don't know what to do. The other side went smooth, the driver's side went smooth, and the passenger side's being a bitch. And we've been trying to take this, like, get it unstuck and remove it for like what, 2 hours maybe. Like, there's nothing's holding it, and it just won't come out at all. So we're just starting on the back. We're saying fuck it, I'll deal with it later. Who knows? I probably won't even do it. Let's jump on it. Just do what you did. Oh, ahí, así mero. Oh, this shit is hot. Okay. Quicker. He's working on that side. I'm working on this side. We got those two off. I got this off. Working on getting this off. Motherfucker.
Got it?
Yep. Hart Street Plus, and we can adjust it later. Yeah, a little bit more. Wait.
I'm looking through your iPhone.
You are?
Yeah.
I didn't even know I was actually getting it. Can you actually see through it though?
Yeah, it seems good to me.
And the only reason it still looks higher is because the front's not even lowered.
Yeah, it's like...
Yeah, at a slant. Hell. I need spacers and roll my fenders. Lord.
I dig it. I mean, we still don't know how it's gonna look because it's like slanted.
Yeah.
It looks lower than it is.
Damn, I haven't been in the SI in a minute. The last time you let me drive it. It's a calor. So there was no way we were getting that, what is it? Shock, fork off, shock, blah, whatever. So my friend Dennis is gonna let us borrow a grinder so we can cut it. So that's happening. Downshift, downshift. It's fine. I think I could cut it with just the. Say hi. You're gonna be on
here
YouTube.
it is.
Ooh.
I was like, what the fuck is that?
Tell them hi.
Hi. Who's this?
He's the plug. He's gonna hook it up with the grinder because I don't want to buy one. I don't need it. That's all I need to do is cut one thing. Oh no, I mean I don't need to buy one.
You need me to give you one at least?
If you want, it's up to you.
Alright. I never changed it here, so you're gonna have to try it out.
Okay.
Alright.
You think this is long enough?
You need a extension cord?
Yeah.
Alright. I was doing with a chainsaw and I cut the fucking extension cord.
Oh shit.
Yeah, cut it right here. But it still works.
You taped it up?
Okay, let me try it just to make sure I'm not giving you trash. Alright. Hope you get it done.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll see you soon.
I'll let you know how it goes.
Alright. Good luck though. I hope it works for you.
It will work. You gotta be say yes.
Yes, it will work.
Hey, you got some safety glasses?
Yeah.
It's fucking sparks.
Hopefully that WD-40 no. No, it's dry by now, right? You think? Or no?
I better hope so.
No.
number one enemy is speed bumps.
Speed bumps?
Speed bumps.
Lesson,
Avoid them at all times. Don't get near them. Don't think about getting near them. Don't do it.
Hell no. Yeah, he did try it. It worked. Ooh. Hell no. It's fucking literally.
It's just hot.
Está atorado over here. After hours, oh, last time, and hours of freaking grinding. Not hours, days. No.
Days. Right?
Days. I finally got this bitch. Motherfucker. I feel like I look dirty, but this is like a completely different day. What we did it, we started Friday,
Right.
and today's Monday because we didn't do it the other days, but we finally got it off 4. Let's see how it's gonna look. But what are we looking for right now? The thing to tighten it?
Yeah. I noticed.
It's getting real. Nah, this is not gonna be that low. Well, actually, yeah, it's not even on the floor yet.
Find out.
Okay.
It's not even all the way?
No.
Just help me, just I want to see how low it is. No! No!
You think I'm gonna have rubbing issues? Well, nah, because
It looks like it's slammed, but you look here, look, it's got space. But I'm worried about the turning though.
yeah, that's what I was gonna.
So
Shit.
we'll take a couple runs, see how it goes. You in your fucking driveway? Forget about it.
My driveway?
Yeah. Put it in the garage, forget about it. Speed bumps?
Where's my
Forget about it.
exhaust? There's speed bumps.
Forget about it.
I don't go through these speed bumps.
And I'm just gonna truck all in the back now.
Oh!
There's no way.
Look!
There's no way.
Oh god. Look how close that is. I need bigger rims is what the fuck I need. Lord, what the hell? I'm as low as you, aren't I? Damn near.
Shit. I got lower mine.
Do I even want a splitter anymore? Shit. I'm definitely taking off the plastic, dude. That way you'll be able to notice more.
Yeah, look.